Ever thought about how easy, yet incredible, it is to make easy meals at home, where you have total control over the ingredients? If you get nerve pain, you should reconsider going out to eat. The risk of relying on restaurant kitchens to produce dishes or ingredients that can exacerbate your nerve discomfort is not worth ordering takeout. Increasing your intake of these 6 plant-based meals can improve your general health and provide year-round relief from nerve discomfort. In today's video, we'll examine the many benefits of including plant-based foods in your diet as well as their health advantages. Now let's start the celebration. There is no denying the benefits of eating a diet high in nutrients and low in inflammation if you suffer from nerve pain. A plant-based diet offers many options for keeping nerves in good condition and minimizing discomfort. However, let's first identify nerve discomfort before discussing how to choose the finest plant-based meals to ease your pain. Recognizing pain in the nerves. The body uses pain as a warning system. For example, the brain receives a pain signal from the nerves when your hand approaches a hot stove too closely, prompting you to pull away to avoid getting burned. But if there's a problem with this system, you can have a nerve injury. Damage to the nerves may result in false signals being sent, which can lead to regular, unexplained, intense pain. Even when you are injured, you cannot feel any pain at all if your nerves are destroyed. Nerve pain, sometimes referred to as neuropathic pain or neuralgia, is the result of a disease that damages the nerves that send signals from the body to the brain. It is a distinct kind of pain from other kinds of discomfort. Pain that results from illness or damage to the somatosensory nervous system is referred to as neuropathic pain, or nerve pain. Numerous disease processes, which are typically identified by the location of the illness or its source, are the cause of this ailment. Metabolic disorders, like peripheral diabetic neuropathy, or PDN. Neuropathies resulting from viral infections, like leprosy, HIV, or multiple sclerosis. Autoimmune disorders affecting the central nervous system, like multiple sclerosis and Guillain-Barré syndrome. Peripheral neuropathies induced by chemotherapy, and trauma-induced nervous system damage account for the majority of neuropathic pain conditions and pathophysiological states. For other people, there are specific body positions or activities, like walking or standing in a line, that hurt. Injuries to the nerves may cause your body to become extremely sensitive. Certain people may feel discomfort when bed linens are draped carelessly over their body. It could get harder for you to use your hands if you have nerve damage that has left your fingertips numb or without feeling. You can find it challenging to type, knit, and lace your shoes. Individuals who suffer from nerve damage often experience a diminished sense of touch, which can make them feel as though they are always wearing gloves. If you're looking for a daily multivitamin for men that contains 23 essential vitamins and minerals for optimal health, Naturello One Daily Vitamin for Men will meet all of your vitamin needs before we start eating plant-based food. This product will improve your heart, brain, eyes, and immune system health if you are under 50 and vegan. It will also increase your natural energy and vitality. To promote joint health, brain health, heart health, and eye health, think about taking Naturello Whole Food Multivitamin for Women 50+, which contains turmeric, boswellia, lutein, lycopene, and other herbal combinations. The blend of chelated minerals like zinc and selenium, together with activated B vitamins like methylfolate, B6P5P, and B12 methylcobalamin, enhances absorption and bioavailability. Let's now employ these delicious plant-based meals to help ease your suffering from nerves. Vegetables and fruits are frequently promoted as wholesome foods. As part of a healthy eating pattern, Americans are urged to eat more fruits and vegetables according to the 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for Americans. An adult should have 2 to 3 cups of vegetables and roughly 2 cups of fruit every day. Lush green vegetables. Naturally occurring vitamins are present in high concentrations in all leafy greens. Nonetheless, it is known that certain foods, like cabbage, kale, spinach, and moringa, have more vitamins than others. Vitamins A, K, E, C, beta-carotene, folate, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6 are abundant in these vegetables and help in nerve transmission. A great supply of minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, calcium, phosphorus, and salt are green leafy vegetables. By giving you the right amount of minerals in every bite, they assist you in meeting your daily mineral needs and make up for any deficiencies in minerals. Broccoli, spinach, and asparagus are rich in vitamin B, which is necessary for the regeneration and health of nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid, found in abundance in spinach, broccoli, and kale, has been shown in studies to enhance nerve function and prevent nerve damage. In addition to being abundant in fiber, eating green leaves fills you up. There are also other ways that fiber is good for your health. You are discouraged from consuming fats and lipids by these leafy greens because they are almost fat-free. Seasonal fruits: eat one fruit or more each day to help your nerves heal from whatever damage they may have sustained. Antioxidants are abundant in fruits and vegetables, including berries, melons, peaches, cherries, oranges, and red grapes. They also aid to prevent inflammation and nerve damage. Furthermore, resveratrol, a potent anti-inflammatory compound, is abundant in grapes, blueberries, and cranberries. The most valuable fruit of the summer are berries, which serve as the inspiration for a variety of dessert recipes, including pies, parfaits, cobblers, ice cream treats, and whipped cream miracles. Moreover, berries contain antioxidants that are very useful in warding against illness. Berries have been shown in one study to provide you an incredibly high amount of antioxidants for the day. Don't stop there, is what dietitians will urge you, because a balanced diet needs a wide range of nutrients from different food sources. An additional source of vitamins and antioxidants are apples, a symbol of the country. These fruits retain a high level of antioxidants even after drying. Cucumbers. Summer squash with a maximum length of 1 meter is called zucchini. It can be either light or dark green, but its hybrid, the golden zucchini, is yellow-orange in color. Though technically a fruit, zucchini are prepared as a vegetable and used in savory cooking. Zucchini has an amazing nutritional profile, being high in antioxidants, dietary fiber, B vitamins, and potassium. Additionally, zucchini is high in vitamin C. It has low levels of vitamin A, folate, riboflavin, and thiamine, and high levels of vitamin B6. Manganese, potassium, and tiny levels of magnesium and phosphorus are among the minerals found in zucchini. About 25% of your daily vitamin C needs can be met by eating 1 cup of zucchini. This vitamin that dissolves in water promotes immune system repair and slows down aging. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps the body produce fewer free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress. It also helps nerve cells function and has been demonstrated to reduce discomfort associated with nerves. Additionally, it contains potassium, which facilitates effective neural communication, and magnesium, which soothes irritated neurons. Sweet potatoes taste great. A natural anthocyanin pigment called purple sweet potato color, PSPC, is derived from the store roots of purple sweet potatoes. Among its many biological activities are anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, and antioxidant properties of PSPC. Vitamins A and C, which shield cells from free radicals, are abundant in sweet potatoes. There are natural anti-inflammatory chemicals found in sweet potatoes as well. Purple sweet potato extract has been shown in animal experiments to reduce inflammation in nerve and brain cells. Moreover, because sweet potatoes have a high fiber content, they delay the rate at which carbohydrates burn. This lowers blood sugar spikes. Lettuce. Quinoa is a flowering plant that is commonly mistaken for a grain because of its edible seeds. Grown in more than 70 nations, quinoa was formerly a staple crop for the Andean people of Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Potassium, an important vitamin that supports nerve communication, is found in quinoa. Magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and folate are also abundant in quinoa. Compared to other cereals like wheat and rice, quinoa has a higher total mineral content. It contains enough zinc, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, copper, iron, calcium, and phosphorus to maintain a balanced diet for humans. In addition, this superfood has copper, iron, fiber, protein, and vitamin B6. In the neurological system, Magnesium is necessary for muscle conduction and nerve transmission. Papaya. This unusual fruit is high in potassium, which is thought to aid in nerve communication and healthful fats. Avocados are quite popular in the health and wellness sector because of their high nutrient density and many purported health benefits. As a fruit, avocados are rich in fiber, various vitamins and minerals, and good fats. Among the many minerals included in avocados are magnesium, B6, vitamin E, vitamin C, and folate. Additionally, half an avocado provides 10% of the daily potassium needed. Listed as a nutrient of public health concern in the U.S. is potassium. The vitamins C, B6, and E found in avocados support the operation of the immune system. There is sufficient vitamin B6 in half an avocado to help lower inflammation and shield cells from oxidative damage. A B6 deficiency weakens the immune system and raises the chance of getting sick. Like any other type of pain in our bodies, nerve pain is excruciatingly uncomfortable and can seriously interfere with our everyday lives. Let's watch a few more videos about our nervous systems to continue the conversation. Kindly inform us in the comments section.